Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May 9th, 2026, bringing you another E35. It's lot number 1449. This is a 2018 or maybe 19 model Bobcat E35. Mechanically seems to be just fine. Wanted to walk around here, give you a few pointers of it. Pretty nice unit, actually. Has a long arm on it as well. Ox hydraulics, thumb, blade as well. The 18-inch bucket and thumb come with it. Lot 449. This one's ending in 2259, 18 model. It's got a little bit of damage here on some of these areas. Like this panel, you can just take the whole panel off, replace it. It's easy, just 4 bolts to replace that. Tracks are pretty much new, guys. The tracks are probably just put on. The sprocket segment seems to be fine as well. Lots of good life on it. Anyhow, go ahead and show you the hours, and then we'll go ahead and get it there and do an operations video. Machine's got 2,058 hours on it, and we did take some photos of the other components inside this computer. So if you want to look at that. Thumb 2-speed as well. Without further ado, let me give you a quick little operations here, and so you can see how this unit works. All right, guys, there you have it. Runs, it works, does what it's supposed to. Tracks are tracking at the same speed as well. Just put a brand new battery in it. It's here, it's May 9th, 2026. This is on this 2018 model or 19 model, whatever it is, Bobcat E35.